All right, here we are. So we're on Grants.gov. I'm just going to show you how to register on Grants.gov real quickly. So this is www.grants.gov, and you're just going to go ahead and go up to register. But before you do that, I just want to show you one additional thing from sam.gov. If you are registering a new entity in sam.gov, you must provide an original signed notarized letter stating that you are the authorized entity administrator before your registration will be activated. Alright, so if you click on, if you have not done that or your SAM's expired, I just want to show you real quickly. You actually click on the underbar for notarized letter and it'll bring you to another page. And this is pretty cool, guys. It's going to give you 2 templates that you can use. So you're going to figure out which one we want to use. Determine which template is required. So I need to formally appoint an entity administrator for a single domestic entity or for multiple. So we're going to say single. So if you click on template 1, it's just totally going to open up like that, and I've already opened these up, so let me show you. This is template 1, and as you can see, it has a little bit of information talking about SAM. This is not your, that's not your template, the first page, but it's going to show you where you're going to mail it to, what you need to do. It's kind of like the directions, right? So that's the instructions, and here is your template. So you're going to go ahead and put it on your letterhead or put your logo in if you don't have letterhead, or the name of your organization, that sort of thing. And you can actually just fill in the details. And as I said, you need your DUNS, you need all the stuff, your legal business name. Now that might be different than your DBA or doing business as a nonprofit name. You actually might have something with Inc. in it or blah, you know, something very formal or whatnot. And then your DBA is different. So make sure you have your legal business name, which will be found on your 501c3 tax-exempt documents or on your business license. Your grant writer. Okay, and then of course the entity administrator contact information, and please note the email address, really give them one that you actually check, okay? Don't give one that gets all your junk or whatever, you know, give them one that you actually check. And then you're just going to go ahead and choose one of these things. Are you know, for confirmation. So, you don't authorize any third party to act on your behalf, or you do, okay? And then you have to insert that third party name. And then of course you just have to sign it, and you have to get this thing notarized. So here's your notarization page. You have to bring it in someplace, and that is the only thing that you're going to have to pay for. If anyone calls you up from SAM or from Grants.gov saying you need to pay for something, that is a scam. It is a scam. But you will have to pay for notarization, of course, unless you know a notary. I have no idea. Anyways, and then of course other one is very similar. So this is for multiple domestic entities, and this has, you know, your different DUNS numbers, different business names, etc. So very similar, but it's just multiple compared to single. So that's the templates for you guys. Very simple. It gives you the directions on the first page of where to mail it to, and here's the directions once again. So they're trying to make this as simple as possible after that hack. Alright, so going back to your registration. So you will click register. Alright, so you're going to register. You're going to get registered now. Alright, so after you fill out all of this information, and it would look very similar to this information, so if you put everything here, and when you hit continue, and it's going to pop you up to one more page that's going to say send temporary code. You have to go click into your email address, and note this is the email address that you entered here, and then you're going to go ahead and check it out. Take that code, paste it into where it says put code, and then you are registered. Boom, that's it. Now you have one final piece of registration, and that is they're going to ask you, do you want to be an organization or individual applicant or not now? Skip. And you can put organization for your nonprofit, and then you can enter all the relevant information, and you're all good. Alright guys, that's as simple as it is. That is a new process with the notarization. As noted, there are the templates on Grants.gov that you can download very easily and for free. If you have any questions, give me a shout. www.grantwritingandfunding.com. Please like this on YouTube. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.